We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at studio apartment 424. Let's go on in and take a look. Our kitchen is on the left, like it is with all of these even number studio apartments. We have this same apartment on floors 2 through 6 in this 6th floor elevator building. The apartments with the even numbers 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 will always be the same layout. The kitchens will be the same. We will have the refrigerator, the sink, dishwasher, a microwave, stove oven, cabinets above and below the counter, and a pair of drawers. You can see over here on the wall, we definitely have some good space here. We've often seen people bring in a narrow table or a shoe rack or a small shelf to expand your storage space in the apartment. The closet is on the left. Again, the same large closet in all of the units. You can see we've got some good hanging space in there. The variations in these apartments will basically be what furniture they have and the view out the window. So this apartment, this time, happens to have the darker mahogany style furniture. You can see it will always be the same items. There's a desk and chair, a bookshelf, a dining table and chair. There's the air conditioner under the window, and we are on the north side of the building, which is the street side. We're in unit number 24, which is closer to the east end of the building. That intersection is College Avenue, where it intersects with Dryden Road, and of course from that corner we are just 1 block from campus. Over here you can see the full-size bed. There's the dresser. That door over here is the bathroom. Let's take a look at that. The bathroom is the same in all these units. We'll have that standing tub shower with a sliding door, the vanity that does open underneath, the toilet, a medicine cabinet on the wall, and towel rack. So that's a look at a studio apartment. Again, these north rectangle apartments are available on floors 2 through 6 on the north or street side, Dryden Road side of the building. We're at 151 Dryden Road here in Collegetown Center, and we're just 1 block to campus.